You've heard me talk a lot about water-based products and essential oils and how they don't mix together. So today I want to show you a really easy way to mix your essential oils with the water-based portion. Now, if you're using a carrier like jojoba, you don't need to even worry about this issue. It's only when you're using something like Hydrosol, which we're using today, or aloe vera gel, which they're both water-based products. So the recipe we're going to do today to demonstrate this is called Itch Relief Spray. I'm using lavender hydrosol, aloe vera gel, my soluble, which is a dispersant, blue cypress essential oil, lemon, spike lavender, and cedarwood, which is our beautiful Virginiana cedar wood. So we have lots of different cedar woods. This is the one I'm using in this recipe. All right, let's blend this. So at Aromatics International, our hydrosol comes in 100 mils, so it makes it really handy. But I'm also putting in 30 mils of my aloe vera gel. So I used a little bit of this by spraying my curtains or spraying my linens or spraying on myself, as it's really great for sunburn as well. And I have enough room to put in my aloe vera. So to start this process, we're going to add 30 mils of our beautiful aloe vera, which is so skin healing and so skin nourishing. I'm going to use this so that you can see the process, what's actually happening. And there we go. Got a little bit more than 30 mils, but nothing to worry about when that happens. We'll put the lid back on. Comes with a little cone cap. And then I'm going to add my hydrosol. I'm going to add just a little bit of my hydrosol because we're going to put the whole thing back in the handy sprayer. All right, so we'll add our hydrosol into here. About that much. You can see the aloe vera gel down in the solution. It's a little bit suspended, but it blends up really nicely because they're both water-based. Now I'm going to add my essential oils before I do my soluble. I'm going to put 10 drops of each of these in. These are all known to really help with itchy skin, especially a bug bite, mosquito bites, the things that we get when we're outdoors and having fun. So 10 drops of each. This one's a little bit of a thicker oil. It might take just a little bit to come out. Here we go. It's a beautiful light blue. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You don't want to be in a hurry when you're using some of our thicker oils like this beautiful blue cypress. Next, we're going to add 10 drops of lemon. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you see how much faster that came out? This is why you have to be careful of your citruses and your conifers. They come out really fast. And then 10 drops of our spike lavender. Now, I see that I forgot to bring a glass stir rod. So Jenny, can you grab me a glass stir rod? And then our last one is 10 drops of our cedarwood, Juniperus virginiana. This is not that thick of an oil, but sometimes it takes a little bit of time to come out, especially if you haven't used it for a little bit. Starting to come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we have our 10 drops. Now, if you look closely, you can see at the very top, those are the essential oils. They're not into our solution. So if I pour this in my bottle and I go to spray it on myself, I'm going to get what's down here and not my beautiful essential oils. So you can stir it up, shake it up when it's in your bottle, and it will sort of disperse, but not all the way. Okay, still there, and this is where our dispersant, our soluble, comes in. We're going to be adding 6 mils. Now what I do is I calculate, I like 4 drops of our dispersant, our soluble, for every single drop of our essential oils. So in this case, it all turns out there's about 25 drops per ml. So if I calculate that out, I come to 6 mils, approximately 6 mils. So I'm going to add 6 mils into my little beaker. And it depends on the oils that you're using. Sometimes it can be a little bit more that you need, and sometimes it can be a little bit less. But the key is to shake well so that it's blended. And after you shake it well, I don't know, every about 5 times when you go to use it, suddenly it just stays dispersed. It's really cool how that works. We're going to add this in here. Get a visual on that. It changes the color somewhat, which is absolutely typical and normal. And then let's stir this up a little bit. Now, as I pour this back in my bottle and really give it a stir, that's when you're going to see the results. And now you're going to get all the beautiful ingredients in one spray on your skin instead of just a little bit. Okay, give that a little bit of a stir. I'm going to get all the goodness off of the sides. And just barely, almost fit in there. Not quite. I'm going to pour a little bit back in here. And this is what you can do as well. And then you would pour it all, what you want, back in your bottle, and you'll have a little bit left over. There we go. See how easy this is? And you can see how well it's all dispersed in our solution. And now, when you have that itchy skin, all you need to do is take it and spray. These are all beautiful oils to use on your skin to help with our itchy situation. And of course, our aloe and our lavender with summertime here is great for sunburned skin. So I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, please like and subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you on the next event.